How to find competitors to track on Etsy. For many Etsy shop owners, tracking their competition can be useful for inspiration or to understand seasonality in their products. But how do you find your competitors? In today's video, I'm going to talk about the different types of competitors, how to find them, and how to track them using eRank. Tracking your competition on the competitors sales tool is only available for paid eRank customers, but free users can still start finding their competitors. I like to think there are three main types of competitors: your friends and family, your peers, and your inspiration. And tracking them all provides different benefits to you as a shop owner. Firstly, your friends and family. Obviously, these are the easiest competitors to find. You just ask them for the name of your shop. And to track them on eRank, all you need to do is go to competition sales, add their shop name here, and hit track shop, and eRank will start reporting on their daily sales. Note if you see a dash, that just means that eRank hasn't been collecting data for them yet, but it will from now on, so you'll start seeing data from today. The second type of competitors are your peers. These are the sellers who are at a similar level to you and most likely having the same struggles as you. One way to find them is to see what keywords are working for your shop. You can find this in your Etsy shop stats, or if you have connected your Google Analytics to eRank, then you can use the traffic stats tool to find these keywords. Then use eRank's rank checker to search for these keywords. Scroll down to the top listings and you can see the listings that are also ranking in search for those keywords. If you click on the name of the shop of those listings that look relevant to what you sell, you're taken to the top seller page for that shop, where you can see loads of data about the shop and decide if they're similar type to you. You can quickly add them to your competitor sales tracked shops. And the third and final type of competitor are your inspiration. These are the superstars in your niche. You likely can't compete with them directly at the moment, but they let you know if your niche has the potential to be profitable, the seasonality of sales, and as the name suggests, they can be the inspiration for the future of your shop. To find these big boys, you can use the competition top sellers tool. Click on the relevant category to see the top sellers for that category. It's likely that not all these will be relevant to exactly what you're selling, but if you click on the shop name, you're again taken to the top seller page for that shop and can see the latest updated and newly created listings for that shop and see if they're relevant to what you're selling. And again, with a paid subscription account, you can add these relevant shops to the tracked shops. Hopefully you now have a nice list of all the three types of Etsy competitors relevant to your shop. In the next video, I'll show you how to use this information to inspire you to improve your Etsy shop.